Hi Neela ma'am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 6, algebraic expressions, exercise 6.4. Okay, 6.4. Today my topic is here word problems on algebraic expressions. Word problems on algebraic expressions. First of all, read the problem twice or thrice and try to understand ki what will be done. Okay, what will be done? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatsoever. So first question is here like this here. Swati has some marbles. Swati has some marbles. Dhruv has 10 more. Dhruv has 10 more. Suppose this is Swati. We don't know ki how many marbles Swati is having. Okay. We don't know about Swati ki how many marbles does she have. Does she has. Then Dhruv has 10 more. This is Dhruv. This is Dhruv. Suppose this is Dhruv. This is Swati. This is Swati. Okay. And Dhruv has 10 more, and Manoj, there is third person also. This is Manoj. Suppose this is Manoj. Manoj. Okay. Manoj says that he has 3 more marbles than the number of marbles Swati and Dhruv together है. मनोज ये कहता है कि मेरे पास जितने स्वाति के पास है और ध्रुव के पास है उनसे 3 ज्यादा है. 3 ज्यादा है. 3 more marbles. Then Dhruv, how many marbles does Manoj have? हमें ये निकालना है कि मनोज के पास कितने मार्बल्स हैं. But here we don't know कि स्वाति के पास कितने मार्बल्स हैं. Okay, we don't know कि how many marbles स्वाति has. Then let's take let Swati has marbles x. हमने मान लिया कि उसके पास x marbles है. ओके, let's say कि स्वाति has x marbles. ओके, ये लो स्वाति के पास हमने x marbles कर दिए. अब दूसरा कौन सा पर्सन? ध्रुव. ध्रुव has 10 more. ध्रुव के पास क्या है? स्वाति से 10 ज्यादा है. स्वाति से 10 मार्बल्स ज्यादा है. मोर. तो ध्रुव के पास कितने हुए? x plus 10. x plus 10. तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? स्वाति has marbles and second person is ध्रुव. ध्रुव has marbles. कितने हुए? स्वाति के पास जितने थे उससे 10 ज्यादा है. 10 मोर है. अब स्वाति के पास x मार्बल है, ध्रुव के पास x plus 10 है. अब थर्ड पर्सन क्या कह रहा है? कौन है वो थर्ड पर्सन? मनोज. दैट इज मनोज. कौन है वो? मनोज. अब वो क्या कहता है कि मेरे पास 3 मार्बल ज्यादा हैं. जितने कितने किसके पास है? स्वाति और ध्रुव के पास जितने मार्बल है, टोटल मार्बल है, उनसे मेरे उन दोनों से 3 ज्यादा है. कितने हैं? 3 ज्यादा है. तो अब मनोज के पास कितने मार्बल हुए? मनोज के पास कितने मार्बल हुए? जितने स्वाति के पास थे और ध्रुव के पास थे, और उनसे कितने ज्यादा है? 3 ज्यादा है. ये किसके हैं? स्वाति के. ये किसके हैं? स्वाति के. ये किसके हैं? ध्रुव के. ये किसके हैं? ध्रुव के. और वो क्या कह रहा है कि 3 ज्यादा है. इन दोनों से, स्वाति और ध्रुव से 3 ज्यादा है. तो लेट्स राइट मनोज has marbles. मनोज has marbles. How many? जितने स्वाति के पास है, और फिर दूसरा कौन सा पर्सन है? ध्रुव. इन दोनों से 3 ज्यादा है. 3 more. क्या है? 3 more. Then like terms को कंबाइन कीजिए. मनोज has marbles x plus x 2x. Coefficient of x is 1 and coefficient of another x is, it is 1, 1 plus 1, 2, and write x with variable there. Write x variable with 2. Then plus, add the constant coefficient, 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 3, 13. So we can say कि Manoj has how many marbles now? 2x plus 13. 2x plus 13. Okay. First of all, when you solve these word problem, try to read the question twice or thrice. Okay. Then you will be able to solve the problem. Now, second question is here. A red ribbon is 2x centimeter long. A blue ribbon is 3 times as long as red ribbon. Okay. Red ribbon length क्या है उसकी 2x centimeter and blue ribbon is 3 times as long as red ribbon. So A part is express the length of blue ribbon in terms of x. Express the length of blue ribbon in terms of x. So first of all, we will write solution here. Length of red ribbon. What will you write here? Length of red ribbon. Red ribbon is 2x centimeter long. Okay. Then length of blue ribbon. Length of blue ribbon is 3 times as long as red ribbon. 3 multiplied by 2x. 3 times the length of red ribbon. It will become 6x. 3 2 ja 6. 6x. Okay. This is A part. Then, what is the total length of both? What is the total length of both? Both means total length of 2 ribbons of different colors, red and blue. Okay, red and blue. In B part, please note down this first part is then. Then B part is question number here 2 of exercise 6.4 B part. Now question is what is the total length of both if x is equal to 8 centimeter होना चाहिए अभी क्या होना चाहिए centimeter 8 centimeter. Now what will we write? Length of red ribbon, how much? It is 2x centimeter. 2x centimeter. Then length of other color is blue ribbon. Blue ribbon. It is 6x. How much? 6x centimeter. 6x centimeter. We can write here 2x centimeter here. It's 6x centimeter. Then total length of both. Total length of red and blue ribbon. Blue ribbon. How much? 2x plus 6x. 2x plus 6x centimeter. It is 8x centimeter. 8x centimeter. It is 8x centimeter. When x is equal to 8 centimeter, okay, then 8x will become, हमने x की जगह क्या लिख देना है? x की वैल्यू क्या लिख देनी है हमें? 8 centimeter. Okay, in place of x we will write 8 centimeter. Okay, because value of x is here 8 centimeter. So 8 into 8 centimeter will become 8 8 ja 64. 64. So we can say the total length of both is total length of red and blue ribbon is 64 centimeter. 64 centimeter when x is equal to a centimeter. When x is equal to a centimeter. Okay. When x is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, third question, you will simplify the expressions and find the values. Okay. If values of x, a, b is given to you, you will just put the value of the variable in the expression and get the answer. Let's take one question here. Question number 3rd, A part. I can write here. Simplify the expression, find their values. If x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4. Let's take A part here. Expression is 7x plus 5 minus x plus 12. Now, putting x equal to 4 in the expression. We get जहां x है वहां पे आपने 4 वैल्यू पुट कर देनी है. तो 7x का क्या होगा? 7 के साथ x मल्टीप्लाइड है. क्या है ये? मल्टीप्लाइड. 7 into 4 plus 5 minus x की जगह क्या लगाना है आपने? 4 वैल्यू plus 12. Okay. Now 7 4 जा 28 plus 5 मल्टीप्लाई किया ना 7 4 जा plus 5 minus 4 plus 12. Okay. Then प्लस वाले सभी प्लस जो इसी में कर सकते हो आप. 28 plus 5 or you can write here 28 plus 5 it is 33. 33 minus 4 it is 33 minus 4 29. 29 plus 12 it is 141. It is 41. Okay. In this way you will find the value when you are given the value of the different variables x, a, b or whatsoever is the expression value. Okay. You will solve question number 3, 4, 5 of exercise 6.4. You will solve question number 3rd, 4th and 5th of exercise 6.4 chapter number 6. Thank you.